Oh, it's a hot one out there today. More sunshine than the past several days, and with all that ground moisture now evaporating, it is awfully humid. And that's going to be the case for the next several days. The heat and humidity, just today alone, it already feels like the mid to upper 90s, and that's going to carry over to the weekend as well. And along with that humidity, there's going to be at least some scattered storms here and there from time to time. Temperatures right now upper 80s to right around 90 in many spots. With that humidity in the green, which represents over 50% or more, the end result is those higher heat index values. For some upper 90s, for some like Chatsworth, right around the century mark. So get ready to sweat the next several days. As far as scattered storms, far fewer in the past several days, but nevertheless, still tracking a couple of storms out there. And I mentioned before the break, this was kind of noisy up towards Spring City. While not severe, a lot of heavy rain with it. And be aware with saturated ground. Watch for areas of runoff, especially the higher terrain on the plateau. So watch for minor areas of flooding. Spring City down around Decatur, where the outflow is sparking some development there. So off and on showers will be there. And these will be around through the early evening. Not too much around the city, but the outflow from that may spark some other development. So there'll be some spotty thunder showers here and there, eventually winding down after sunset. And across the region, again, it's very just isolated compared to what we had the past couple of days. Overall, we've got a very humid air mass remaining. All that flow coming in from the Gulf. But there's a frontal boundary here that'll go kind of stalled over us tomorrow. And because it'll still be nearby, that may be just added lift there, just enough to provide at least a slightly better chance for afternoon storms. And then the chances start dropping a bit as we approach the upcoming weekend. Short range high res model shows this evening through 9 o'clock, there'll be some spotty thunder showers here and there, but then eventually starting to fade out. Our in-house model, very similar. A few scattered showers and storms around by late evening, but overnight things are a little bit quieter. Just some patchy fog first thing in the morning. Through the day tomorrow, partly sunny, hot, very humid again. Temperatures back upper 80s to around 90. But again, I think we're going to see some scattered storms from early to mid-afternoon and right through the early evening. There are some high school football games coming up tomorrow evening. Most of the showers and storms hopefully fading out by game time and then eventually even more fading out by sunset. And then starting the weekend, 70s early Saturday, we're going to surge into the low 90s with lower afternoon storm chance. Not a zero chance, but much lower than the past several days. So tomorrow, highs will hover near 90. It'll feel hotter than that with the humidity. And be aware of those scattered showers and storms afternoon and evening just on a scattered basis. 7-day forecast shows a very hot, humid pattern coming up for the weekend and next week. Each day will carry a slight chance for a scattered storm, but otherwise partly sunny. Those highs in the 90s will feel more like close to 100.
All right, David.